Hi everyone, it's me Louie and welcome to a new video. So in today's video, we're going to deep dive into how to set up the 3 different types of automatic discounts inside your Shopify store. So if you have been thinking about doing just that, then make sure to stay tuned for this video. Before I dive into the video, I just want to wish everyone who's celebrating a happy Lunar New Year. I hope that you have enjoyed your time with your family and friends, and despite of these pandemic times, had a great time having reunions with each and every one of your loved ones. So now let's dive into the video. By the way, if you want to learn about discounts in general inside Shopify, I recommend checking out my earlier video where I did an introduction on Shopify discounts. It's linked in the description below and somewhere around this video. Okay, so now let's get into the automatic discounts. As a store owner, the main reason why you're setting up an automatic discount is that you want to offer a discount to all your customers, regardless of conditions like where they're from, the country, what their purchase history has been like, and so on. So this is a discount that you want to offer any customer that pops by your site. Automatic discounts are a common way of setting up discounts for sale seasons like Black Fridays, Cyber Mondays, or general seasonal sales like for New Year's or Christmas. But setting up automatic discounts isn't limited to just seasonal sales or seasons. You can set them up for your own sales campaigns. You can find the setup page for automatic discounts by first going to discounts on your left panel and then looking for automatic discounts. Immediately, you can see all the discounts that you have set up under automatic discounts. It's very important for me to note here that you can only have one active automatic discount at a time when you're using the native Shopify automatic discount feature. So what this means is that while you can set up a lot of different automatic discounts, for a specific date, only one can be applied at a time. For instance, I've set up a Christmas discount here, the Xmas 10 discount, and scheduled it for the 22nd December to the 27th December. I won't be able to set up another discount for the same period of time. I'll need to set up the discount for another date. To set up an automatic discount, first click on the Create Discount button. First thing you'll see is that you can choose between 2 different discounts. Go for the second option of automatic discount. Okay, so in this page, you can see that there are a few fields that we need to fill in, and I'll go through them one by one with you. So the first field is the name or the title of the discount. This is the title that your customers will see when they check out and get the discount applied to their cart. So you want to make sure that this title is informative so that your customers know what kind of discount they're getting. For example, if you're giving your customers 10% off for Black Friday, then you can indicate that as a Black Friday discount. Why don't we do just that? Black Friday 10. Okay, so that's 10% off for Black Friday. In the next field, you choose the type of discount that you're going to give your customers. We have 3 types of discounts here. First is the percentage, and then the fixed amount, and last is the buy X, get Y. What do these mean? The first 2 are pretty obvious, I think. Percentage only means giving them a specific percentage off, like 10%, 20%, etc. And fixed amount, of course, instead of giving them a percentage, you give them an absolute discount by value. For example, $10, $20, or $50. But what about buy X, get Y? What does this mean? So this basically means that if a customer purchases a specific product, then they can buy another product for a discount or even get it for free. So for the current offer, we're giving the customers 10% off, so let's choose the percentage. Okay, so when you choose percentage, these are the information that you need to provide. First is the discount value, it's 10%. Okay, then you need to choose where this discount is applicable. Of course, you can apply it to all products, or you can choose the collections or specific products to apply it to. Depends on your own sales configuration. So the next field that we need to fill up is the minimum requirements. So we have 2 types of minimums that you can configure. Either it's a minimum purchase, which is the value of the purchase or minimum quantity. Alright, so here it's up to you to choose which one would be more applicable to your particular product or business. So for example, if you go for the minimum purchase, this will be the minimum that your customers will require to check out from in order for this discount to apply. Okay, so I can go for any figure that I want, for example $100, or if I choose to have a minimum quantity instead. Okay, usually for minimum quantity applies when you go for this specific collection or specific products. Okay, so here you can place in the minimum number of items of this type or from this collection that they need to check out in order to get this discount. Okay, so in this case, usually for Black Friday offers, we go for the minimum purchase. Okay, so for 2022, the Black Friday date will be on the 25th of November, okay? So all I have to do is choose the date. 25th of November, so it starts in the morning. 12 a.m. and it ends at 11:59 p.m. Alright, so once you've set up the dates, then the whole discount is now ready to go. Just save it and you're done. Alright, so now let's take a look at what you need to do in case you don't want to use the percentage type of discount but want to go for either fixed or buy X get Y. So for fixed amount, it's relatively simple. You only have to change the discount value from percentage to a discount. So for example, instead of offering 10%, you want to give them a $50 discount off. Okay, everything else remains the same. Alright, so what if you want to offer the buy X get Y discount instead of percentage or fixed amount? Let's take a look at what you need to configure here. So let's click on this, buy X get Y. So you can see here there are two conditions in which you can offer this discount, and it's either minimum quantity of items, how many of a specific product, or minimum purchase amount. Okay, so the purchase value of the specific products. Okay, so usually for the minimum quantity of item condition, you will apply it to if you want to give this offer to a specific product only, and minimum purchase amount would be if you want to give this offer to customers who buy from a specific collection. Okay, so let's take a look at how that works. Okay, so for example, minimum quantity of items, so any items from specific product. Okay, so you can choose a few products here. Okay, I'll choose one because I don't have that many items here. So for example, I'll choose this one. Okay, so if the customer buys, for instance, 3 of a happy birthday cake topper, they'll then get, okay, customer gets specific product. Okay, maybe I'll give them a gift card. Okay, okay, so maybe I'll offer them a discount on a gift card. So 3 happy birthday cake toppers, and they get 1 discounted gift card. Okay, then here you can choose either to give this card at a discount or give it to them for free. Okay, so it depends on your sales campaign. Right, so in this case I want to give them a 10% off this gift card. Okay, so let's take a look again. When the customer buys 3 cake toppers, they're eligible to get 1 gift card at 10% off. Okay, and then here you can even set how many times can they get this offer. Okay, so usually if you want to make it a little bit more exclusive, just put 1. And the other one that you can do is the minimum purchase. Let's take a look at how it works. Okay, so you can set a minimum purchase quantity. Okay, maybe 100. Any items from specific collection. Okay, then you want to choose the collection. Okay, so in this case you can see that's where it would make sense. Okay, if they purchase $100 worth from a specific collection, they'll get, okay, this product, or if you want to give them something for free, sure. Okay, let's look for something for free. Okay, a shirt. Okay, so for example, if they buy $100 worth of shirts, they'll get 1 free shirt. Makes sense, right? Again, you can also set the maximum number of users here. Okay, so obviously, if you're using this mechanism where they're getting a free shirt, maybe, change the name to free shirt. Okay, because that's gonna be the message that your customer will see when they check out, and I think it should make sense for them. Okay, so once you're ready, just save it and you're good to go. Alright, so that's a wrap for today's tutorial on how you can set up automatic discounts inside your Shopify store. We've covered all 3 types of discounts, the percentage, fixed amount, as well as the buy X, get Y. So I hope that you have found this tutorial useful and you can now use this information and apply it to your business. And finally, if you've enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you want more content like this, then do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next one. Thanks for watching this one. Bye bye.